A customer brought me this. He says the tune feels weak, the battery still shows charge, but something is off. I'm going to test it and see what's really happening inside. At first glance, it still works, but under low it feels weak. Something is happening. Look at the battery indicator. This shouldn't be happening. The battery isn't empty, so why does it struggle? I didn't expect this. Maybe wood cell. The bug has been used for a long time. I can't guess. Let's open it up and check it out. Here we go. Let's check the voltage first to see if there's something strong inside. Cell number 1, fine. Cell 2, fine too. This one? Just over 3 volts. One weak cell inside a working battery. And this is the problem. Total voltage still looks okay, but that one cell drops faster under load. And if you keep using it, this cell can drop even lower and maybe die completely if the voltage reaches under 2.5 volts. So the battery isn't empty, it's unbalanced. Next, I'll fix this part and see if it comes back to the full performance. So subscribe if you want to see that. See you, bye bye.